of TV! Today I'm showing my Jackery Explorer 300, a power station that basically saves you when electricity disappears or when you just want to work anywhere. No noise, no fuel, just quiet portable power. What it is and why it's useful. 300 watt capacity, safe, compact. Jackery is a rechargeable power station. Think of it as a smart box that keeps energy for when you need it. Power cuts, car trips, picnics, balcony workdays. It gives steady, silent electricity anywhere. We have here USB, AC, DC, car port. It has its own AC sockets for normal plugs, USB ports for phones and tablets, a DC car port, and fast PD charging for laptops. You can charge the station 3 ways: from the wall, from a car, or from a solar panel if you have one. How long it lasts? 300 watts equals real hours of power for phones, laptops, and calm work even when light go out. With 300 watt, you can run phone charging many times, laptop up to 4-6 hours, small lights all evening, camera batteries several cycles. It's not for heaters or kettles, but for everyday electronics, it works perfectly. Real use scenarios: work, travel, blackout comfort. I use it during blackouts, when I travel and still need my laptop charge, and even outside when I edit videos on the balcony. It's quite portable and doesn't smell like fuel, just electricity in a box. Display and safety, clear percent and output info. The display shows how much battery is left, what's charging, and how much power you are using. It shuts off automatically when no load is connected, so it saves energy by itself. Portable power, calm mood. So, that's Jackery 300. Small, safe, and incredibly helpful when life decides to turn off the lights. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!